Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your AIB verification code not received issue. First, check your mobile network signal and make sure you have a good coverage. A weak signal can delay or block SMS messages. Next, confirm that your phone number is correct and active. Restart your phone and request the verification code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your mobile network connection. Next, if the code still does not arrive, wait for a few minutes and request a new code. Sometimes there can be temporary delays from the network. If the problem continues, contact the AIB support to check your registered phone number. That's how you fix the AIB verification code not received. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more easy fixes.